tired. I don't want to go to work.
Nah, get your tired, lazy, raggedy ass up and go to work before I smack the shit out you.
Fine.
Tie them shoes right before I go over there and make your ass tie them right.
Okay.
You got your folder?
Girl, it's in my backpack.
Call me girl again and I'ma catch a case in this house now, boy. I ain't playing with you. You got your nasty ass dog food packed up in that backpack?
Yes, I have my food packed in my backpack. And please don't call it that.
Sass me again, and your raggedy damn ass gonna be missing some teeth and out of a damn house. Keep on playing with me. Did you put on that damn deodorant I asked you to put on?
Yes.
Good, because I don't want you smelling like a shitty rhinoceros ass when you go into work.
Why do you keep wearing a bonnet? Isn't your hair done?
Don't even worry about my hair. Focus on your own self before I come over there and knock you the fuck out. Stop groaning before I give your ass something to groan about. And when you come back, can you give me some damn weed and chillings?
All right, I can. Can you keep your voice down, please?
Don't you tell me how to speak. I'ma speak how I want. Get your ass into work.